Coco, you need a haircut. All right, you all. I wanted to get out here because I need to do some snips. Where's the snips? So we noticed that some of the zucchinis, so some of the things in this, along this nursery is not doing well. Look at this. What in the world? What is going on? What is going on? Something like just rotted and killed this out. Yeah. If I had a knife, I'll cut that open right now. Let me see if I got a knife. Hold on, you all. Let's see. All I need is this utility knife right here. It's not like we're going to eat it. Who cares if it's rusted? Just want to check it out. Let me see what's going on. So this was just a project, to be honest. This was just an experiment to see this vertical growth, right? Now, I don't know, because I don't have my tripod, so I don't know if I'll be able to. You know what? Let me cut this off first. Bombs away. And now, let me see what's in here. Oh, look. Look at Coco the Yorkie. Got her nose all in it. Look at this zucchini, Co. Look at this zucchini. This is a result of a rot zucchini, Co. You see that? No, you're not going to eat that. So, I will put it in the compost, but I'm not sure if it's diseased, so I'm just going to throw it over the fence. Yep. I don't know what happened there. Well, what are you thinking, Co? Yeah, nay. No, you look at your lips. All right, so what's going to happen is I'm just going to clean this. Yeah, just go ahead and pull it on out. Pull it on out, get rid of it. Got some marigolds at the top. They thriving and surviving, but this must be like, why is this green growth in the roots? That must be a weed that came in this little air pocket, this little air space. But then even looking at this one next to it, look at this zucchini started. And you can even see where the insects got to it. Has a little growth still. You can tell where this is still green and it's still trying to thrive and stay alive. So I'm going to cut this one to push that energy to the new growth. I was going to drop it, but I had to grab it with my pinky because Coco the Yorkie is down there waiting. But this one, nope, didn't make it either. Oh. Uh-oh. Move, Coco. I knew it. Coco was ready, boy. She was ready. Anyway, it's gone. So I'm going to just kind of clean this plant up to make new room for, not room for new growth, but, you know, push that energy out. You all, welcome to my channel. I'm Monique D. It is that time of season where you can tell what's thriving and what is not making it. But for some reason this year, along the nursery, I know what it was. It's my fault 100%. So let me go ahead and admit. Look at this, is rot. I'm gonna keep it though. We'll see. Still gotta look. So what I did was outside this fence, you see all of this brown. So I goes on the other side of the fence occasionally, and I spray this solution to keep the foliage off the fence. And I was spraying in that direction with my back to the fence, and the product was so strong that I probably should sterilize these snips, but you know, the product was so strong that it kind of attached to the dirt. Oops, I just broke that right on off. Ooh, look at that. Uh-oh. Are those squash boards? Uh-oh. Hold on now. Did you all see that? I don't know what that is. I wonder why the plant ain't. They got to it. Usually people say, cut it off. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see what this is looking like. It's still growing. Nothing growing on it. I'm not going to kill it. I'm just going to let it live its life out. Same thing with this one. But that one got to it too. Yeah, it's possible. Even look at these cucumbers. That's crazy. Let me just go ahead and pick this one. Oops. I'm dropping everything. Let me go ahead. Go ahead and pick this one. Squash boards usually come every year. Look at this one. Ooh. That joker. I should have put my gloves on. You see that? That's crazy. What in the world? Get out of here. Ugh. I caught myself throwing it over. And the guts landed right there. I'm tripping. I gotta get this up, because if not, you know who's gonna be over here sniffing. I got already waiting. Already waiting. I just don't want to see that. I knew you was going to be waiting, Coco the Yorkie. Coco! Look, she ready, licking them lips. But anyway, I just want you all to see how terrible the nursery is right now. Look at that. Oh, let's go. Well, when you have plants, the goal is to move them out of the nursery. Unfortunately, here's another one. These were the ones that got... Go ahead and get rid of that. These are the ones that didn't get rehomed, should I say. These are the ones that didn't get rehomed. Try to ask if people wanted any other vegetables as they were plants to come and get them. Nobody wanted to come get them. Gave a few away. I'm gonna get that off, but I'm gonna clean these. Yep, so these were the extras. So it's unfortunate for them, but some survived and some didn't. But I still feel a heartbeat. Yes. So welcome to my channel, you all. I am Monique D. Today I am out in the nursery trying to check on what's left. What's still trying to survive. You all, when I tell you we have so many plants, I do ask that, you know, friends and families come and get some. Friends and family come and get some plants when they are in the beginning stages. And, you know, I don't want to throw any of them away. But, you know, this is what's left. So hit that like, subscribe. See you on the next one. Coco the Yorkie, be ready. Yep. All right, let's see if she gonna lick her lips. I see her ready. I see her getting ready. Coco, I got some cucumbers. I see you getting ready. You can have both of these. These are gonna be yours. We are gonna go in. We are going to cut those up. She is ready to go in. You all, welcome to the channel. Coco is ready. Let's get these tomatoes right here, Coco. She is following along. Look at these tomatoes. Let's go ahead and get all these. Should have bought something out here. Welcome, Coco the Yorkie. I got something for you. Ah! Yo, we have these cherry tomatoes. I need to. She said, nope, I'm coming down. Look at these cherry tomatoes, Cole. You in the upper room. Gotta come on down this way. She is ready. Yep, right here. So you just gonna stick your muzzle through, Cole? Yeah, I got you, baby. Look, and then you don't want it. You want me to take that? There you go. There you go. What you gonna do with it? Look, you still got that one that you ain't even touched. Coco know what these are, boy. Look at these. Boom. 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 Boom.